tutorial I'm going to show you how to create the pattern by slipping the stitches for the slip stitch check square. I've already prepared the first repeat, which is over 16 rows. Now this one, unlike the Nordic stripe and the tweed slip stitch squares, this requires a little bit more concentration because you're doing more slipping of the yarn, but it's basically the same technique. Okay, so I've already worked the first 2 rows of my next repeat, and I'm about to start the 3rd row using B, which is my darker colourway. So row 3 is telling me to knit the first stitch with the dark colour, and then to slip the next stitch purlwise with the yarn and back. So if you remember, we slip the next stitch, the yarn is already at the back of the work, which is the side facing away from us. And then in brackets it's telling me to knit 1, slip 1 purlwise with the yarn in back twice. So knit 1, slip 1 with the yarn in back, knit 1, slip 1 back twice, and knit the next 3 stitches. So I need to repeat from the asterisk 4 more times. So slip 1 with the yarn in back, knit 1, slip 1 with the yarn in back, knit 1, slip 1 with the yarn in back twice, knit 3. So from the asterisk, slip 1 with the yarn in back, knit 1, slip 1 with the yarn in back, knit 1, slip 1 with the yarn in back, knit 3. Okay. I'll carry on to the end of the row. This is my last time. Slip 1, knit 1, slip 1 with the yarn in back, knit 1, slip 1 with the yarn in back, knit 3. I should have 2 stitches left, and I'm going to slip 1 with the yarn back and knit the last stitch. Okay, so that's my 3rd row, and I'll just turn over the work and demonstrate the 4th row. I'll use my highlighter tape, which is brilliant for this sort of purposes, and is available on Amazon should you wish to buy some. It's great for working charts as well. So row 4, I'm still using B, and it's telling me this time to purl the first stitch, then slip on purlwise with yarn in front. Now my yarn is already at the front, so I just need to slip that next stitch purlwise, and then purl the next 3 stitches. Slip on with yarn in front, purl with yarn in front, then purl 1, slip on with yarn in front, purl 1, slip on with yarn in front twice, and then I just need to repeat from the asterisk 4 more times. So purl 3, slip 1, purlwise with yarn in front, purl 1, slip on, purlwise with yarn in front, purl 1, slip on, purlwise with yarn in front twice, and then back to the beginning of the asterisk. So I'll just carry on to the end of the row, to the end of the repeat. I should have 2 stitches left, and one stitch left, and I purl that last stitch. Okay, so I'll just turn over the work so you can see that I'm beginning to create the window pane of the first block, and that's just showing you how basically to slip the stitches to create the pattern. As I say, it requires a bit more concentration, so do read your instructions carefully and slowly.